my name is Chaaranvi. Welcome to my channel. How are you today? I'm fine. Today I'm going to show you a clock. It is made of a craft paper. Can you see the clock? What time is it? Yes, you are right. I can hear you. It's 5 o'clock. The short hand is on 5 and the long hand is on 12. 5 o'clock. Anyway, we are not going to talk about clocks. We are going to talk about craft paper. I'm going to show you a flower pot made from craft papers. So let's start. I cut a pot from. First I took a cardboard and drew a pot like this. Next I cut the cardboard like this. Next I paste a white paper on the cardboard. Next I took small craft papers and pasted like slant lines. Now let's start making the flower pot. Can you see the flower pot? This is the flower pot I made. Next I'm going to take. First we need to paste the gum on the back of the craft paper. Apply the gum. Now I'm going to stick this. I have sticked it. Oh, it's not sticking, I think. No. I'm going to we need to cut the stem like this. I'm going to paste the stem. I need to wait till again we need to paste one more stem here. I stickered the gum. I'm going to paste it. I have pasted it over here. Now I'm going to take my flower craft paper. I'm going to stick a pinch. Now I have applied gum. Now I'm going to stick this to the stem. See, I'm going to stick this here, over here, like that. Now we have to wait. Now we need to take another flower. I'm going to show you 3 types of flowers, but you can paste any of those. Now I'm going to turn backwards. Paste the gum here. I'm going to paste it here. Now I'm going to take the next flower. Oh, sorry. Now turn it backwards and now apply the gum and stick it over here. Can you see my flower? Yeah. I'm going to stick leaves over here. First apply the gum. Next, I'm going to stick this here. Now take another one and paste the gum over here. And next, paste this over. Now take another one and applied gum. Paste it over here. Like this. Oh no. Like this. Here, paste it and take another one. And apply gum to here. Now next, I'm going to stick it here. I have sticked. Is it beautiful? My flower pot is ready. Is it beautiful? Can you see my flower pot? I can lift. See? See my flower pot. Can you see my flower pot? Here is my flower pot. It's beautiful, right? You can take I took sheet. You can take cardboard like this square or circle also. I took the sheet. This sheet, white sheet. I will show you how to make these beautiful flowers in my coming videos. Now I will show you how to make a beautiful lotus. Now, first, you have to cut the colorful papers like this. Craft papers like this. These are petals and these are leaves. I will show you how to make them easily in my coming videos. Now I'm going to start making a lotus. Stick here the gum and put it here. Here the gum is built, but okay, it's done. I'm going to put this here. Now I'm going to take the third one. And stick it over here. Oh no, stick it over here, not there. Now I finished sticking like this. Now I'm going to take the fourth one and stick it over here. Now stick it over here. Now I'm going to take the leaves. I applied gum. Now I pasted. Now this is my stick. I am not going to paste it, but it's my lotus and my flower. Here is my lotus. Can you all see? And my flower pot. Now I'm going to end of this video. And in my next video, I will show you hacks. Funny hacks. Only 3. Bye-bye. Stay home, stay safe, stay digital. And subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. And click the bell icon. Many of you are seeing but not subscribing. Thank you. Bye.